Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. The curtains came down on the 2017 staging of the Miss Universe Jamaica competition over the weekend. The red carpet event, staged at the Jamaica Pegasus, offered musical selections ranging from jazz to reggae before announcing their #1 girl.
It's now official, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Davina Bennett is Miss Universe Jamaica 2017.
Davina Bennett walked away with this year's title, copying several sectional prizes on her way up, including the Gleaner Online Social Media Award, Miss Universe Jamaica Runway Star, and Miss Universe Jamaica's Altruism Award. Janae Jackson is the first runner-up and Sarah Jade placed third. Davina is now preparing to join beauties from across the world to represent Jamaica on the international stage at the 66th Miss Universe pageant. Grammy-winning R&B superstar Chris Brown continues to infiltrate the Jamaican music space. The artist recently sampled the sound of Egyptian's gold-selling 2010 single Polio and Kevin Little's Turn Me On for his latest up-tempo track Questions, which was recently released. Not the first time Chris Brown has sought to pay homage to dancehall and reggae, having recently collaborated on the remix of Conscience's hit single, Broke Off Your Back. Egyptian, of course, gave his stamp of approval on the song, confirming that proper procedure was observed before the sample hit the airwaves. Celebrating Peter Tosh, the 30th anniversary of the death of reggae icon Peter Tosh will be marked in September in the African state of Zambia. The Peter Tosh 30th anniversary Peace and Love concert will be held at the Bongwe Big Bush on September 9. Peter Tosh, an unapologetic singer and songwriter, formed part of the original Wailers, which comprised Bob Marley and Bunny Wailer. Tosh is known for his poignant use of music as a tool for raising social consciousness, including landmark albums Legalize It and Equal Rights. On the international scene, the MTV Awards pulled international acts out for last night's studded event. Among the big winners this year, Kendrick Lamar, who dominated with 6 awards, coming out of his 8 nominations for his hit music video, Humble. Lamar walked away with Moonman honors for Video of the Year, Best Hip Hop Artist, Best Direction, Best Cinematography, Best Art Direction, and Best Visual Effects.
My power sit on earth, salute the truth and the prophecy. Got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Hey, I remember sad sandwiches and crime allowances. Lesson on them for some counterfeits. Now
Ed Sheeran won the award for Artist of the Year. Taylor Swift and Zayn won the award for Best Collaboration, while Fifth Harmony and Gucci Mane won the award for Best Pop Video. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.